Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In this course, Managing Supply Chains for Vending Machines, we'll take a deep dive into one of the most critical, yet often overlooked aspects of running a successful vending business: supply chain management. Whether you're managing a single vending machine or scaling an entire fleet across cities, having a seamless, efficient, and cost-effective supply chain strategy is key to maintaining profitability, minimizing downtime, and ensuring customer satisfaction. We'll begin by helping you understand the basics: what a supply chain is, how it operates, and why it matters specifically in the vending industry. Then, we'll break down the full supply chain cycle, from sourcing products and selecting suppliers to inventory forecasting, ordering schedules, and restocking routes. You'll also learn how to choose between wholesale distributors and direct partnerships, how to reduce costs while maintaining quality, and how to make smart stocking decisions based on location, customer preferences, and sales data. Next, we'll explore modern tools and technologies that are transforming vending logistics, including inventory tracking systems, mobile route planning apps, and AI-driven sales predictions. You'll learn to streamline your operations and avoid common pitfalls like overstocking, expired goods, and inefficient delivery cycles. Furthermore, we'll cover real-world case studies from successful vending operators who've mastered their supply chains. Through their experiences, you'll gain insights into adapting to demand shifts, managing supplier disruptions, and scaling your operation without compromising efficiency. By the end of this course, you'll walk away with a comprehensive understanding of supply chain management tailored for vending machines. More importantly, you'll have actionable tools and strategies to build a reliable, responsive, and resilient supply network that supports your business growth from day one. Module 1: Introduction to Supply Chain Fundamentals in the Vending Industry. In this module, you'll learn the essential principles of supply chain management and how they directly impact vending operations. Managing a vending business goes far beyond stocking machines. It involves orchestrating a series of interconnected steps that ensure your machines remain full, functional, and profitable. The vending supply chain starts with sourcing products and ends with the consumer's purchase at the machine. In between, there are critical phases: supplier selection, inventory control, storage, transport, and restocking. Each step must be carefully managed to avoid common pitfalls like product shortages, spoiled inventory, or inefficient route planning. Because vending machines operate in multiple locations and serve different demographics, supply chain precision is even more vital than in traditional retail. In this module, you'll explore how to evaluate supplier reliability, determine optimal inventory levels, and schedule efficient restocking routes. You'll also learn how supply chain performance directly influences customer satisfaction, revenue, and operating costs. For instance, a well-stocked machine leads to higher sales and repeat usage, while one that's frequently empty erodes trust and loses business. Moreover, we'll discuss the importance of flexibility in supply chain planning. Markets shift, customer preferences change, and disruptions, such as supplier delays or fuel price spikes, are inevitable. Being prepared to adapt quickly will give you a competitive edge. Efficiency, consistency, and responsiveness are the pillars of an effective vending supply chain, and learning to balance them is essential for long-term success. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of the supply chain's role in vending machine success. This foundational knowledge will support everything you learn in future modules and help you avoid costly beginner mistakes. Module 2: Product Sourcing and Vendor Selection for Vending Operations. In this module, you'll discover how to source the right products and choose reliable vendors, both of which are crucial for maintaining a successful vending operation. Your ability to consistently stock machines with high-demand items depends entirely on smart sourcing and strategic partnerships. Without this foundation, even the best machines in the best locations won't deliver optimal results. Product sourcing begins with knowing your customers. What sells well in an office building may not move quickly in a school or gym. You need to analyze location demographics, consumer behavior, and sales data to determine what products to stock. Snacks, beverages, and healthy options should all be considered based on what your target users prefer. Once you know what to stock, the next step is finding the right sources to supply those items affordably and reliably. Vendor selection is equally important. You can work with wholesalers, local distributors, or even partner directly with manufacturers. Each option has benefits and trade-offs. Wholesalers offer variety but may lack consistency. Direct manufacturers offer better pricing but require larger orders. Local vendors may respond faster but may be limited in product range. You'll learn to weigh these factors, compare pricing, and assess reliability carefully. In this module, you'll also learn how to build long-term relationships with your vendors. Strong partnerships can lead to better pricing, priority delivery, and exclusive product access. Additionally, maintaining clear communication and setting expectations helps prevent supply disruptions and ensures smoother operations. Ultimately, choosing the right mix of products and the best vendors will ensure your machines stay profitable and consistently meet customer demand. Module 3. Inventory Management Strategies for Vending Machines. In this module, you will learn effective inventory management strategies specifically designed for vending machines. Managing inventory well is critical because it directly affects your sales, customer satisfaction, and overall profitability. Unlike traditional retail, vending machines have limited space and serve diverse customer needs, making inventory control more complex but even more important. Successful inventory management starts with accurate tracking. You need to know exactly what products are in each machine, how quickly they sell, and when they need replenishment. This requires using inventory management tools or software that allow you to monitor stock levels in real time. With this data, you can avoid overstocking items that don't sell well and prevent stockouts of popular products. Another key strategy is categorizing inventory by demand patterns. High turnover items should be restocked more frequently, while slow-moving products need careful evaluation to determine if they should remain in the mix. Rotating seasonal or promotional items can also keep your offerings fresh and appealing to customers. Optimizing reorder points and quantities ensures you restock at the right time and in the right amounts. Setting these thresholds helps maintain a balance between having enough inventory to satisfy demand and minimizing excess stock that can lead to waste or expiration, especially for perishable goods. Route planning ties directly into inventory management. Efficiently scheduling restocking routes based on inventory data reduces transportation costs and prevents delays. It also allows you to prioritize machines that need immediate attention, increasing uptime and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, mastering inventory management strategies for vending machines will help you maintain a well-stocked, efficient, and profitable operation. With the right tools and approaches, you can reduce waste, boost sales, and deliver an excellent experience to your customers. Module 4. Demand Forecasting and Stock Level Optimization. In this module, you will explore the crucial concepts of demand forecasting and stock level optimization specifically tailored for vending machine operations. Accurate forecasting allows you to predict customer needs and avoid common problems like overstocking or running out of popular products. When done correctly, these strategies ensure your machines are always stocked with the right products at the right time, improving both sales and customer satisfaction. Demand forecasting begins with analyzing historical sales data from your vending machines. This data reveals trends, seasonal fluctuations, and peak sales periods. By identifying these patterns, you can estimate future product demand more accurately. For example, cold beverages may sell more during summer, while snack sales might increase in colder months. Understanding these variations helps you prepare your inventory accordingly. In addition to historical data, consider external factors such as special events, holidays, and changes in your machine's location demographics. These factors can significantly impact demand and should be included in your forecasting models. Using software tools can simplify this process, providing real-time insights and automated forecasts to help you make smarter decisions. Stock level optimization is closely linked to forecasting. It involves setting the ideal quantity of each product to keep in your machines. You want enough stock to meet customer demand, but not so much that items expire or machines become overcrowded. This balance is essential for reducing waste and maximizing profits. By optimizing stock levels, you also improve your restocking efficiency. Knowing when and how much to reorder helps streamline your supply chain and reduce delivery costs. It enables you to plan restocking routes more effectively, focusing resources where they are most needed. In conclusion, mastering demand forecasting and stock level optimization is vital for a successful vending business. These strategies will help you maintain well-stocked machines, increase customer satisfaction, and maximize your revenue over time. Module 5. Route Planning and Restocking Logistics. In this module, you will learn how to effectively plan routes and manage restocking logistics, which are key components in running a profitable vending operation. Efficient route planning reduces fuel costs, saves time, and ensures that your vending machines stay stocked and operational. Without well-organized restocking logistics, you risk lost sales from empty machines and increased operational expenses. Route planning starts with mapping out all your vending machine locations. Grouping machines by geographic proximity is crucial to minimize travel time and fuel consumption. You will learn to use route optimization tools and software that analyze location data and create the most efficient paths for your restocking team. These tools help balance the number of stops per trip and the quantity of products needed for each machine. Another important factor is scheduling restocking visits based on sales velocity and inventory needs. Machines with high demand require more frequent visits, while low-demand locations can be restocked less often. Combining this with real-time inventory data allows you to prioritize machines that are low on stock or have technical issues, reducing downtime and increasing customer satisfaction. Logistics management also includes vehicle load planning to ensure that your delivery trucks or vans carry the right quantity of products without overloading. Efficient packing techniques maximize space and protect products during transport. You will explore best practices for handling perishables, fragile items, and equipment to reduce waste and damage. Additionally, communication between your restocking team and warehouse staff is essential for smooth operations. Clear instructions and timely updates help avoid errors and delays during loading and delivery. In conclusion, mastering route planning and restocking logistics helps you cut costs, improve service quality, and boost vending machine uptime. With careful planning and the right tools, you can create a restocking process that supports growth and long-term success in your vending business. Module 6. Leveraging technology for supply chain efficiency. In this module, you will explore how modern technology can revolutionize the supply chain for vending machine operations. Embracing digital tools and software improves accuracy, speeds up processes, and reduces costs. When properly implemented, technology helps vending operators manage inventory, monitor machine performance, and streamline restocking, all essential for efficient and profitable operations. One major advancement is remote monitoring systems. These tools collect real-time data from vending machines, such as inventory levels, sales trends, and machine status. By accessing this information remotely, operators can make data-driven decisions on when and what to restock, eliminating guesswork and reducing the risk of machines running empty. Inventory management software automates tracking and forecasting. It provides alerts when stock is low, generates purchase orders automatically, and helps forecast demand based on historical sales and trends. This automation saves time and reduces errors compared to manual tracking methods. Route optimization software is another critical technology. It plans the most efficient delivery paths, reducing travel time and fuel costs. Combined with GPS tracking, it enables operators to monitor restocking teams and adjust schedules dynamically based on real-time needs. Mobile apps for field staff improve communication and coordination. Restockers can update inventory status instantly, report machine issues, and access route information on the go. This connectivity ensures faster responses and more reliable service. In addition, data analytics tools help operators analyze performance metrics across machines and locations. Insights gained from this data can identify underperforming products, optimize pricing, and uncover opportunities for expansion. In conclusion, leveraging technology in your vending supply chain leads to better decision-making, improved operational efficiency, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Investing in the right tools is essential to stay competitive and scale your vending business successfully. Module 7: Cost Control and Profit Maximization in Vending Supply Chains. In this module, you will learn strategies to control costs and maximize profits within the vending supply chain. Effective cost management directly impacts your bottom line, ensuring that your vending business remains sustainable and competitive. Profit maximization involves a combination of reducing expenses and increasing revenue, both of which depend heavily on how well you manage your supply chain. Start by identifying all major cost drivers in your vending operations. These typically include product procurement, transportation, labor, machine maintenance, and waste management. Understanding these areas allows you to pinpoint where savings can be made without sacrificing quality or service. Negotiating better terms with suppliers is one way to reduce product costs. Volume discounts, bulk purchasing, and building strong vendor relationships can lead to more favorable pricing. Additionally, regularly reviewing your product mix and removing slow-moving items helps reduce inventory holding costs and spoilage. Transportation and logistics costs can be controlled by optimizing restocking routes and schedules. Efficient route planning cuts fuel consumption and labor hours. Additionally, using technology to monitor vehicle usage and maintenance ensures your fleet operates cost-effectively and avoids unexpected repair bills. Labor costs are another key area to manage. Training staff to perform multiple roles, using scheduling software to minimize overtime, and automating inventory management tasks can reduce personnel expenses. Keeping machines well maintained also lowers repair costs and downtime, ensuring a steady revenue stream. Waste reduction is critical in vending operations, especially with perishable goods. Proper inventory forecasting and stock rotation minimize expired products, reducing losses and improving cash flow. In conclusion, controlling costs and maximizing profits in your vending supply chain requires a strategic approach. By focusing on procurement, logistics, labor, and waste management, you can improve efficiency and profitability. This module equips you with practical tools to make informed decisions that support long-term business growth. Module 8: Managing Supplier Relationships and Contracts. In this module, you will explore how to build and maintain strong relationships with suppliers, a critical aspect of managing supply chains in vending operations. Effective supplier management ensures a steady flow of quality products, timely deliveries, and favorable contract terms, all of which contribute to the smooth operation and profitability of your vending business. Building a solid relationship with suppliers starts with clear communication. Open dialogue about expectations, product requirements, and delivery schedules helps prevent misunderstandings. Establishing trust encourages suppliers to prioritize your orders, offer better pricing, and provide exceptional service. Selecting the right suppliers involves evaluating factors such as product quality, reliability, price competitiveness, and customer service. It's important to conduct thorough due diligence before entering into agreements to ensure that suppliers align with your business goals and values. Contracts formalize the relationship, outlining terms and conditions like pricing, delivery frequency, payment terms, and penalties for non-compliance. Carefully negotiating contracts protects your interests and minimizes risks. For example, including clauses about late deliveries or product defects encourages accountability. Regularly reviewing supplier performance is vital for maintaining quality and service standards. Use performance metrics such as on-time delivery rates, order accuracy, and product consistency to assess suppliers. If issues arise, address them promptly and collaboratively to find solutions. Diversifying your supplier base can reduce risks. Relying on multiple vendors for key products prevents disruptions if one supplier faces challenges. However, managing several suppliers requires strong organizational skills and clear processes. In conclusion, managing supplier relationships and contracts effectively strengthens your supply chain, ensuring reliability and cost efficiency. This module equips you with strategies to negotiate, evaluate, and collaborate with suppliers, building partnerships that support your vending business's success. Module 9. Handling disruptions and building a resilient vending supply chain. In this module, you will learn how to effectively handle disruptions and build a resilient supply chain for vending operations. Disruptions, such as supplier delays, transportation issues, or sudden demand spikes, can seriously impact vending machine availability and customer satisfaction. Being prepared with a strong, resilient strategy minimizes these risks and keeps your business running smoothly. Understanding potential risks is the first step toward resilience. Common disruptions include natural disasters, supplier shortages, logistical delays, and economic shifts. By identifying these vulnerabilities early, you can develop contingency plans tailored to your specific vending supply chain. Maintaining strong supplier relationships is key to resilience. Having open communication lines allows you to quickly address delays or shortages. Additionally, diversifying your supplier base reduces dependence on a single source, helping you adapt if one supplier faces issues. Inventory management also plays a crucial role. Keeping safety stock or buffer inventory for high demand or critical products ensures you have enough supply during unexpected interruptions. However, balancing stock levels carefully prevents overstocking and waste. Technology helps by providing real-time data and analytics. With monitoring tools, you can spot problems early and respond quickly. For example, remote machine monitoring reveals low stock or malfunctions, enabling proactive restocking or repairs. Flexibility in logistics is another important factor. Having multiple transportation options or alternate routes can prevent delays if one path is blocked. Collaborating closely with your restocking team ensures quick adjustments to schedules. In conclusion, building a resilient vending supply chain means planning ahead, diversifying suppliers, managing inventory wisely, and leveraging technology. This module equips you with practical strategies to handle disruptions efficiently, maintaining service continuity, and protecting your vending business's reputation. Module 10. Scaling your vending business with supply chain. Best practices. In this module, you will discover how to scale your vending business effectively by applying supply chain best practices. Growth presents unique challenges, especially in maintaining efficiency, controlling costs, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Implementing proven supply chain strategies enables your business to expand smoothly and sustainably. First, standardizing processes is essential. As your vending network grows, consistent procedures for sourcing, inventory management, restocking, and maintenance help maintain quality and control costs. Documentation and training ensure that new team members follow the same high standards. Leveraging technology becomes even more important at scale. Automated inventory tracking, route optimization software, and data analytics provide valuable insights that support decision-making. These tools help identify trends, optimize product mixes, and reduce waste, all while managing a larger number of machines across diverse locations. Developing strong supplier partnerships is another critical factor. Scaling often means ordering larger volumes or negotiating better contracts. Building trust with suppliers can lead to improved pricing, priority service, and collaboration on new product offerings. Efficient logistics management supports growth by optimizing delivery routes and schedules. As your machine count rises, efficient route planning reduces operational costs and improves restocking speed. Consider expanding your fleet strategically or outsourcing logistics if it enhances efficiency. Additionally, continuously monitoring performance metrics ensures you meet customer expectations and spot issues early. Key indicators include machine uptime, sales per machine, and inventory turnover. Regular analysis helps you adjust strategies and maintain profitability. In conclusion, scaling your vending business requires applying supply chain best practices focused on standardization, technology adoption, supplier collaboration, and logistics optimization. This module equips you with the tools and strategies to grow your operation successfully while maintaining efficiency and customer satisfaction. Conclusion. As we conclude this course on managing supply chains for vending machines, it's clear that mastering supply chain operations is vital to running a successful vending business. From sourcing products to managing inventory, planning routes, leveraging technology, and building resilient supplier relationships, every step impacts your efficiency and profitability. This course has equipped you with essential strategies to streamline operations and minimize risks, ensuring your vending machines stay stocked, functional, and profitable. Understanding the fundamentals of supply chain management sets the foundation. You learned how to select reliable vendors and negotiate favorable contracts, which can lower costs and improve product availability. Efficient inventory management and demand forecasting help reduce waste and avoid stockouts, keeping customers satisfied. Route planning and restocking logistics emerged as key areas to cut expenses and improve service speed. You saw how technology integration can enhance transparency, data accuracy, and decision-making, providing a competitive edge. Moreover, managing costs carefully while maximizing profits requires a balanced approach involving all supply chain elements. Building strong supplier relationships and contracts ensures a reliable supply base, while contingency planning prepares you to handle disruptions effectively. Resilience in your supply chain safeguards your business against uncertainties like delays or demand spikes. Finally, scaling your vending operation demands the consistent application of these best practices, combined with standardized processes and continuous performance monitoring. By applying what you have learned, you can optimize your supply chain to support growth and customer satisfaction. Remember, a well-managed supply chain is the backbone of any thriving vending business. Use these insights to adapt, innovate, and lead your vending operations toward long-term success. Thank you for investing your time in this course. Now, you are better prepared to manage your vending supply chain efficiently and confidently.